The race for the 8000 mAh battery is already started, and it looks like Chinese brands are close to the finish line. It was reported in February that Oppo and OnePlus is developing the biggest battery in smartphone industry, but they won't be the first to launch it. Honor is expected to launch a new mid-range lineup under the Power branding. One of the Power smartphones will have an 8000 mAh battery. Reliable leakster DCS hinted at a pretty decent mid-range spec sheet with an unusually large 8000 mAh battery. It will be powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 chipset, which is quite surprising since the phone will be initially launched only in China. If it is to be believed, Honor plans to launch its new mid-range smartphone in other markets as well. In addition to the information about the phone's battery and chipset, it is learned it will feature a pill-shaped notch and a very thin bezels. The poster teased by Honor on Weibo shows the front part of the device along with the announcement date of April 15th. If it's the first phone to pack 8000 mAh battery, then others will also launch soon from OnePlus, Oppo and Realme. Realme is expected to include a huge battery in this next flagship, the GT8 Pro. Realme's 8000 mAh battery is set to support 80-watt fast charging, so it'll achieve full charge in 70 minutes.